I've worked in, well, I always find sacred geometry in anything possible. I think that's part of what makes flowing lines adapt to the body and things look appealing. But sometimes I exaggerate or do more of a mathematical sacred geometry that's more obvious, and I've meshed this in or melded it in with the dandelion fluff or whatever you want to call that state. I'm sure there's a technical name for it. But while I was looking at images of this close-up dandelion fluff, I found, not oddly enough, but this little central piece, once all the little seed bits have come off, you can see little dots. Now there's one that's closer up that I can show you where I actually saw, yeah, there it is. Now if you go in close, it has those sacred geometry curves. They're all in there.
That's nature,
they're all in
right?
there.
Yeah.
Like it's there, so I'm actually including what actually is there. So therefore, if on here it has those patterns, therefore really all these guys have that. It's just not so obvious. So it's just, I don't know, blows my mind. Absolutely.
It's so cool.
There was a guy, I don't know, whatever his specialization is, but a scientist in some forest somewhere, I can't remember the details, Costa Rica or whatever, and he was studying the Fibonacci sequence, the math of one in a tree of one branch to another, and it had the Fibonacci pattern. And then he found, without even realizing it, like he had gone to study that thinking that was what it was, and it was, but he found that the relationship of one tree to another had the exact same math of this.
Wow.
Like it's like a signature or the fingerprint or soul print of the earth, or maybe of the universe. Maybe it goes beyond the
Pretty
earth. I don't know.
cool.
But it just does something for me, and I just feel if I incorporate that into people's tattoos, I'm putting something not just on them, but as a part of them, that therefore it consistently or continuously adjusts their frequency to that frequency, so it keeps them
Connected.
in harmony and connected.
Cool.
Which yoga does as well, and many other things, but why not?
Well, this is part of the spiritual experience, being here. It's just a continuation of it.
Yes. And it's so awesome and lovely having you back, Shirley, because without you, we would not be what we are. Like all my memories of you coming over, and like you and Kelly and Steve and everyone, Simon on his crazy bike ride and stuff. Everyone, when they were like Kelly and Steve, were just starting their business, you know, and they had the story of, you know, their dags, and we're going to call it this, and they had trouble with getting people to work for them, and it's like, holy shit, now they're like, you know, now Buddha Rider is, now you're a DJ and traveling the world, and something magical is going to happen in Thailand, and you know, who knows what.
For sure.
But it's kind of cool to watch, and I'm sure it follows the same frequency of these things too, right? You know, each one of those little things flying off is one of your good luck charms.
I feel like this increases the vibrational frequency for me.
Yeah.
That's part of it.